See you, we are at Washington now, then I have more fun.
You say you believing in me.
Hi guys, so it's day 2. I'm sure there's media. The week is starting. So we're going to the wine trip. The bus left us, so we're gonna take an Uber. This is where we are. We're gonna be taking an Uber with, and then we're gonna catch it at the next stop. Let's go. The reason why we're late.
Yeah, so this one you have been dropped. Yes, and no problem. This is all. That's what we're gonna do. Then I can take that ambassador to. There's a thing here which says I don't know what the difference between the estate one tasting and the signature one tasting. The signature one tasting is of our Black Series wines. Yeah.
Signature one is
Signature. We get like 10 and that was all of the trend. Okay. So that's for all 5 wines, yes.
So is this a signature one?
Yes.
because this is mostly white, is it?
Yes,
This
it is
one.
mostly
Yeah,
white.
we are ready.
Yeah, because it's only this one that is white. That is champagne and this is red.
Oh, okay. What is this one?
What is it? This is our love wine. They call this one the love wine.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, so we get to taste all of them?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So all of you are going to do the signature or you?
What's the discount
no,
here?
no, no.
It's like 10 rand.
You get 10 rand.
Oh, for the signature as well.
Yes. Signature.
Yes. Okay.
And here's a list if you want to buy a bottle. Here's a list for you. With all the prices.
Okay. After we taste it, if we like it. Okay, now.
Clay pot, and then the other percentage was in the barrel. Only for 10 months. So the clay pots just remove the acidity of the wine and make it smoother. So licorice, toffee characters you're gonna pick up.
That's
and also
the Chardonnay.
Yes.
Okay.
And also some stone fruits. How is it? What stone fruit?
So you have
Nectarine and a peach. Then you have the single vineyard Syrah. 80% of the wine.
And my husband is taking himself selfies.
Oh, you take the bag, not.
So yeah, guys, as I was saying, we are at the Botany Wine Farm. We used the bus to come here. I think the next one we're gonna use a tram. Yeah, so we can experience a tram together. I hope the wind is not doing the, messing up with the sound. I need to get myself a mic so I can block out the stuff. So yeah, let's go to the, oh guys, Botany has nice views. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you now. It's got nice views. My husband is there ordering. And guys, I have to tell you this. We have two ladies that we're traveling with because we didn't plan where we are going. So so with them, the bus left us there together. So we used the Uber together and then decided that, oh, we're gonna be here together. So yeah, hence we're traveling together and it's been nice. They're from Botswana. It's N and Refugee. Yeah, I think it's Refugee. Oh my god, did I forget? Sure. And
Well, fantastic. We'll come to Delta.
Ooh. I'll be there one day, man. First, I just have to gather the money to get there.
and this Refugee.
In this order. Yes, sir, in that order.
Yeah, no. Good guys, big on presentation.
That's phenomenal. I love it. I've never gone for a gin tasting.
The reason for that is we're living in the 20th century, and nowadays phones eat and drink before humans
Yeah,
do.
of course.
So
You see something on Instagram before you can go to the actual place.
Can
I throw them in?
right here, man? That is where I live. So I grew up in this area. I know these parts like the back of my hand. So for me personally, I love working with people from different areas of South Africa because it's just that you get to see a different point of view from someone you've never met. And if you look at wine also, it's a personal journey. That's why I don't really like to tell people, oh, you should smell pineapple or guava, because the moment I say that, you're going to smell it. But if I don't say anything, you're going to think to yourself, oh, so what is this smell? So we tend to not tell you what to smell at Botany instead of letting you experience it yourself and then come to your own conclusion of what you think your wine smells and tastes like. Yeah.
Marvelous. Brilliant.
So the hibiscus tonic you can only use with autumn.
Okay.
The cream on
So yeah, that's nice. It's coming out on the YouTube.
I do want to. Okay, I'm going to use my hands again. So that when I plunk it in, it's not.
crispy.
Oh, look, they even have the thing. I took a picture of that.
Of what?
So that we're mixing a lot of different beverages now.
Yeah,
Get
but
headaches and stuff like
You
that.
and I probably, well, everybody, because she's also having a gym now.
Yeah.
so which one is summer, winter?
So this is autumn,
Oh,
summer, and then winter.
yeah, no, this one makes sense. Winter is what?
Yeah, with the orange
Yeah.
citrus during
Autumn you
winter.
can see leaves are falling.
No, but that's summer.
Summer.
Oh, this is summer.
Yeah. You see? I was
We
also
will
saying.
wait for him.
Yeah, well, I would have thought.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Georgia, USA.
Yes, girl.
Happy birthday to decade. Donkey? No, I don't know what your welcome is.
Yeah,
but-
that's your name. Yeah.
Happy birthday!
You know?
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Mother Nature, we have the nature.
See you. We are emotional now. Then I have more fun.
Our classification in South Africa as champagne, because we're not allowed to call champagne. So that is a blend of Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Pinot Gris. Pinot Gris.